TradingView has a free crypto heat map that shows the entire market in one screen. Most crypto traders never open it, so here's how to use it properly. First, go to the main tab on TradingView, and if you don't see it on your screen, don't worry. Go down to the bottom right, click on individual tools, and then star, heat maps, and then crypto. Now that you've done that, simply click on the crypto heat map. The size of each block is the coin's market cap. Bitcoin and Ethereum will always dominate the screen. The color shows performance, green for up, red for down, and brighter color means a bigger move. At the top, you can even change the time frame. Daily will show today's moves, weekly shows the trend, monthly shows the cycle. Now here's the key trick. You can use the group by dropdown to switch from default to sector. Click on where it says crypto coins. You can go to crypto coins excluding Bitcoin, excluding stable coins, and DeFi as well. You can see which sector is moving as a group. When you see one sector glowing green while the rest is red, that's typically a key sign of rotation. Money is moving into that theme. And in December 2024, it was AI tokens. In April 2025, it was DePIN. The heat map shows it before the news does. And all you have to do to open that coin's chart is simply click on the block. Then right-click for more options, including adding to a watch list. Check this once a day, and in 30 seconds, you will know what is leading crypto right now. Have a great day, guys.